This message is for Nigerians, especially the Yorubas. I'm saying this because I want other Nigerians to know. When I get on the throne, we see me talking about this Ooni Adeyeye. You will see me talking about. What you don't know, I will tell you today. The governor of Osun State, commissioners, and all. This I helped Ooni Adeyeye, but because Ongbe Orisha law, he was holding Orisha as and me, God has put me as above Orishas, as the king. Well, let's look at it. And because of that, as a kingmaker or somebody that helped a king to become the king that I was, he doesn't want me to say the story in the future. He was looking for my downfall. Then the next thing, they packaged a woman. I was a woman that was packaged for me, that I don't know her from Canada. But it was packaged for me, it was a setup. After they set me up, they were talking to her in our own AI. She was in my house and they were talking to her and setting me up. Setting up with videos, setting up with many things. Ya video, Nino Yara, Yomo Bimilerio, this wife will be this supposedly wife, an ex-wife. But it was death they sent into my house and they were communicating with her. She was there for over 3 years. She had a child, which I don't even know if it's my child now. I have to confirm that through DNA. Because they want her to kill me. She poisoned me 2 times. They set up assassination attempt. They did everything so that maybe their Orisha or the gods will kill me. But they failed. After I kicked this woman, when I found out the secret and I kicked this woman out, it was this Ooni Adeyeye Enetogunwusi that asked him, what was the lady doing with him in the hotel? I won't mention the hotel, but when there is clarification, I will be mentioning. I'm also kini se ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì papọ̀. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó òun náà ló gbalé fún àtọmọ àtìyàwó ní Ooni Adeyeye Ògúnwùsì. Ẹ wá ní mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá jẹ́wọ́ ni ìyàwó tó fẹ́ pàwọ́. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá o, tó bá jẹ́wọ́ ni tó bá jẹ́yìn ni ìyàwó tí wọ́n set sínú ilé ẹ̀ tó wá pa tí ò rí ọ pa. Ìjà yóò lè tán láti máa bá lọ ní èmi ò sì ṣe pa. Ọba aṣoògùn títí òrìṣà ọkàn Ṣàngó ò lè pè mí bàbá mi lòrìṣà, bàbá mi ní Ṣàngó, bàbá ńlá mi, ṣùgbọ́n ọmọ gbọ́dọ̀ ju bàbá náà lọ. Mo ti dọ́ba lénìí. Ṣàngó ò lè pa mí, Ṣàngó is a criminal. Ògún ò lè pa mí, Ògún is a criminal. Àwọn bàbá ńlá wa ni they are not criminals, so they won't be killing their children. Ògún àti Ṣàngó ìpààyàn. Ọlọ́run ọba Olódùmarè nìkan lọ́mọ gbàtẹ́yìn. Kọ́ máa gbógun tò, kọ́ máa ṣe ogun ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní Ọ̀ọ̀ni ó suspend mi, Ọ̀ọ̀ni lè suspend èmi lọ́ba. Paramount ruler ó suspend another paramount ruler. Ó suspend mi, Ọ̀ọ̀ni lè suspend èmi lọ́ba. Paramount ruler ó suspend another paramount ruler. So ojú mi lọ ní àgbáwò àbófipò ojú mi lọ. Yamba sẹ́ẹ̀tì 1 2 3 ní Ọ̀ṣun kò ṣe pé àwọn paramount rulers wọn ò kàn lè kó gbogbo wa sí number 1 ní àwọn tá a jẹ́ náà paramount rulers. So kó ń kálukú lọ mọ pé n ti ń bẹ lẹ́yìn ọ̀fà ó jòjì lọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti ṣe bí sí mi níjọ lẹ́yìn nígbò ń ṣeun àmọ́ wò ó níjọ wájú àwọn wà máa sọ gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n ti ṣe ìlà ń sọ ẹ̀ yóò dá fún yín ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn ilé ṣùgbọ́n tó bá jẹ́wọ́ ni ṣé wọ́n gbà rẹ̀ àbí náà ní ẹjọ́ ń lọ ní ẹjọ́ ń gbé ní ẹjọ́ ń sin gbogbo ẹ̀.